Merry Christmas, guys! Today we're going to break down all the ways that Sam Bankman-Fried has gifted himself a lot of special requests, a very, very lavish lifestyle to the expense of very many people. So if you want to know what we're talking about, keep watching. In the meantime, hit like and subscribe. If you want to know our most recent trade alerts, some coins that you might be surprised that we have exited and maybe stopped accumulating altogether, you have to check out the CT Club. The link for that is down below. You get our trade alerts, portfolio updates, all that good stuff. So let's get into the nitty gritty of what's happening with Sam. Now, we all already knew that Sam Bankman-Fried and Caroline Ellison made sure to have special treatment for themselves. And this was achieved through the people that they knew. And here's some facts perfect examples of how they facilitated their dream life of special treatment. So first of all, Caroline Ellison admitted to being in agreement, deciding with Sam Bankman-Fried to use FTX as their unlimited piggy bank, basically. Not the kind of piggy bank where you put money in, but the kind where you break it all to get all the money out. So yeah, definitely agreed purposefully to not only commingle user funds with the investment funds and things with Alameda, but deliberately using user funds from FTX to spend it on whatever the heck they wanted. Also, the SEC has had more meetings with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX than any other cryptocurrency company. And the reason behind this now, it looks like it's because they were trying to create specific regulations and a rule book just for FTX that would favor FTX. Again, this is coming from Representative Tom Emmer from the U.S., the guy who was bringing up the suspicions that Gary Gensler had. He knew about the fraud of FTX already happening. So we have to see what the charges from the SEC coming against Sam Bankman-Fried look like, because they definitely had a very special relationship facilitated by Gary Gensler to favor FTX. Now, again, I don't know if this is the same judge that granted Sam Bankman-Fried bail, but if it is, it makes a lot of sense because the U.S. judge that was assigned over Sam Bankman-Fried's case had to step away because she was tied to a law firm that had at one time represented FTX. So yeah, Sam has a lot of friends in politics, in the judicial system, and I don't think that's going to be a pattern that's going to go away anytime soon. Lastly, most recently, we're seeing photos of Sam Bankman-Fried flying home to stay in his, not in the U.S. prison or jail, for months on end before his court case, but he's flying home to his parents' house, his multi-million-dollar house, in first class or business class on American Airlines. There's been some photos now leaked of Sam Bankman-Fried hanging out in the business lounge and hanging out in business class, flying on his way to his parents' house. So gotta love a criminal life, right? And if you don't believe me, you want to see this footage for yourself, I posted these photos on Twitter. All of the links to our official social media pages, mine and Toby's, are down below in the video description. At Twitter, I am at blockchainchick. Lastly, you guys, we have so much fun been hearing about Binance, and with the FTT token from FTX officially being declared a security, that's, a roadblock for potentially any exchange, in my opinion, that has their own native token. Binance obviously has their own token, BNB, and it has notoriously been unsuccessful at being listed on other US-based exchanges. So definitely a concern for anyone who is concerned about the longevity of Binance and the Binance token, possibly BUSD, because that stablecoin is directly tied to, the faith and the infrastructure that Binance supplies as well. So just more things to be aware of, have in the back of your head, have a plan B with Binance just in case, and definitely don't use Binance as your storage solution. By all means, trade your heart out on Binance as an exchange, but it is not a wallet provider. Ledger is, Trezor is, anything where you can generate your own private key It's a great start. And for those of you who are in the CT Club and maybe you missed it, don't forget to check out the email sent out to you from our most recent trade alert regarding what I just talked about with BNB. There's another coin that we also decided to exit as well. You might be surprised. If you want to know what the heck I'm talking about, check out the link to the CT Club. A link for that is down below in the video description. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe. And Merry Christmas. You know, Sam Bankman-Fried is going to make sure that he has a good day today, and I think you deserve it even more than that guy. So have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy yourself and your family. Much love. Bye, guys.